Hey y'all, it's that time again. Not because this is what I wanted, but because this is what I settled for. It's late. It's late in the evening, you guys, and most of the places that I thought I was gonna get have already shut down. I got a coffee to drink. Because y'all know, when it's late at night, you should be drinking coffee. Not true, not true. No straw. No straw. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, let's see. I don't even care where I'm at in the viewer. Oh my. So I got the FIFA World Cup meal, and they sent me a cup. Curious. I don't care what it is. I figured, why not? So who do we got here? Lamine Yamal? Who does he play for? Oh, I have no idea, you guys. Y'all have to tell me down in the comments. It's this fella. Can y'all see? It's that fella. Yeah, that fella right there. Yep. That's a nice cup. That's a nice thick cup. Oh man, so I got a Big Mac meal, which is the World Cup meal. They had buy one get one free double cheeseburgers, and I got the oh, here's the World Cup branding on the fries. Ooh, they're nice and hot. I only got one free double cheeseburger. And my spicy McChicken. Oh, these stickers. What the hell? I'm gonna do all these stickers for. I hope everybody's doing good. This was like a last minute impromptu decision to make a video, and it just got later and later and later. And the evening just got away from me. In my mouth. Oh my goodness. So, I don't know when this is going up. I've been doing pre-recorded videos lately. But I just used the one that I had in the hole. I'm going to open these and just lay them out. Oh, I'm letting the paper cheese go, which means I will probably eat these before I go to bed. I'm doing that. I had 2 napkins, paper towels, I should say, sitting out. Oh, man. Ah! I don't know what I'm getting over here. Ooh. That went okay. I didn't drop it. Ooh. Oh, mercy. Whew. A little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. Oh, that's enough of that. Duke's is the good stuff. Man, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I went through every single menu. I do McDonald's at least once a month. I know y'all are probably tired AF of McDonald's. But this is the kind of trash that speaks to my soul. Okay. Just trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. Trying to get a thumbnail. Y'all excuse all the wheezing. It is what it is. It's flashing. I wonder what that means. Hopefully my battery's okay. It looked like it was full, but who the hell knows? If it quits, I'll just put another battery in. But I'm just letting y'all know ahead of time in case it does. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Ooh. So, yeah. That's what I'm doing tonight is McDonald's. Mm. It's like I'm spoiled for choice here. And it's just so much. And I have the same things over and over again. Mm. I bore myself to death with this food. Mm. Mm. But still, it's familiar and tasty. Mm. Delicious garbage. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh. Mm. 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 They didn't have the fried apple pies at my McDonald's, or I would have gotten one of those. They have the regular apple pies, but it's not the same as the fried apple pie. Mm. There is a difference. Mm. Oh, I'm already tired of these fries. Mm. Mm. I was gonna get a medium, but I was hoping I would get a large coffee. This is the sugar-free iced vanilla latte, by the way, which is very creamy. It's yummy. Oh. Mm. 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 I may not be eating those. I'm already full. Oh, goodness. They're good. Man, I should have got Denny's. I should have got Denny's. And Denny's had several breakfasts. Buy one, get one free. I don't know. I just settled on McDonald's because it was close and fast. And I had been looking for like hours. So I was tired. I was just tired. Oh. Excuse me. I don't know, those would be good for lunch tomorrow. I'll wrap them up in this paper and try to finish my fries, I reckon. No. Oh man. You guys, I'm just not feeling it today. I'm not well tonight. It's like I've been starving all day. And then I finally get it and I'm like, ugh. This is delicious though. Should have got donuts. I was feeling donuts. Man, I don't know. I'm grateful. I'm not ungrateful for the food that I have. Mm. 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 Oh. Anyhow. That's all I got today. It's like easy and greasy. McDonald's. Mukbang. I want more coffee. I should have got more coffee. Anyway, you guys, I don't have much to report. Nothing really going on in my life right now. Not really. Oh. Huh. I have a delivery tomorrow. Okay, cool. FedEx will let you know when they're bringing stuff to you now. That's pretty cool. But anyway, thank you guys for spending time with me today. I know it wasn't very eventful or very interesting, but I enjoyed my Big Mac. And I definitely enjoyed my little spicy chicken. I'll nibble on these and then put them away. They're just little double cheeseburgers with pickles and onions. Nothing fancy. But I got 2 for under $5, so I was like, it was cheap. It was like cheap food, so I bought it when I didn't need it. I keep wanting to drink more drink. Anyway, love you guys, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye now.